This lecture is for class 8. Already a chapter was started from chemistry part. The name of the chapter is metal and non-metal. So already you are given some basic concept of metals or non-metals regarding chemically. Actually, the chemical properties, chemical concept means like chemically details are not given in your syllabus. For example, how you can identify metal. Already you were taught in last class that for example sodium, the atomic number of sodium is 11. So electronic configuration is 281. It means in sodium the outermost cell, the number of electron is 1. So if in outermost cell 1 electron is there, then it is better to donate electron. So it form cation. So metal generally donate electron and form cation, and non-metal generally gain electron and become anion. Anion means negative ion, cation means positive ion. So this type of concept was given. Generally you should write electronic configuration of elements up to 20, up to calcium. Already I think you already tried to draw the electronic configuration, and at least you have the capacity to find the element whether it is metal or non-metal. So now today I am going to give the physical overview. So the physical properties of metal and non-metal. So first of all, we will check the physical state of both metal and non-metal. In regards physical state, metal are hard. Generally metal are solid. You will get in higher studies that metal having metallic bond which is very hard. Positive ions are there amongst C of the electrons. You will details get in future. Only you know here that metallic bonding are very hard. That's why metal are found in solid state at room temperature. Only mercury is liquid metal. Remember, only mercury, the symbol is Hg is liquid metal. And the next one is non-metal or solid. Non-metal solid, जैसे for example wood is a non-metal that is found in solid. Metal जैसे hard नहीं है but solid है, and they are found in gaseous state at room temperature. Gaseous state is sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide. These are the non-metallic gas. Only bromine is found in liquid state. Bromine is a non-metal which is found in liquid state. Which question important? And one important point is that diamond is a non-metal, but diamond is very hard like metal. Diamond, the allotrope of carbon, which is a non-metal but very hard like a metal. And the next physical property is luster. Luster, it is a general term. What is the meaning of luster? Luster means having shining surface. So metal having shining surface. Metal having a shining surface. For example, gold metal. Gold metal से jewelry बनता है because gold have a shining surface. Silver हो गया having a shining surface. The reason is there. You will get in class 12 transition metal. The reason behind shining surface is the metal having transition quality, transition properties, and non-metal having dull surface. Only iodine and diamond, which is non-metal, have a little bit luster surface. A diamond are transparent. Diamond transparent due to high refractive index. It has a very high shining surface. The next physical property is malleability. Metal are malleable. Malleable means we can make thin sheet by beating. Non-metal को अगर हम लोग हाथों से पीटेंगे तो टूट जाएगा, बट मेटल को अगर हम लोग पीटने से it will make a thin sheet, it can be make a thin sheet. So we can give any design. That's why machinery में क्या होता है, metal use होता है due to malleable nature, but non-metal don't have malleable nature. So ductility is an important property of physical property of metal. Ductility means we can make thin wire by snatching by thin wire. Using 1 gram gold we can make 2 kilometer wire. इतना पतला कर सकते हैं, इतना खींच के इसको लॉन्ग कर सकते हैं कि 1 ग्राम गोल्ड यूज़ करके we can make 2 किलोमीटर वायर. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डक्टिल. बट नॉन मेटल का डक्टिल प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, एक लकड़ी को खींचेंगे तो टूट जाएगा. Don't have ductile property of non-metal. And next one is thermal conductivity. Already you know that in metallic bonding we have large number of free electrons. Free electrons क्या है, सब डिटेल्स के लिए आपको 11, 12 पढ़ना पड़ेगा, 9, 10 में थोड़ा मिलेगा. तो just understand that free electron, and free electron can move and they can carry heat energy from one part to another part. सो मेटल के अंदर फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होता है, तो एक साइड एक रॉड को अगर हम एक पार्ट को गर्म करते तो हीट कैन बी ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम दैट पार्ट टू अदर पार्ट. दिस इज कॉल्ड थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी. एंड द रीजन बिहाइंड थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ मेटल इज फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन. सिमिलरली ड्यू टू फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स current can also carry. So current can also pass through metallic wire, which is called electrical conductivity. So thermal conductivity and electrical conductivity is the property of metal only due to free electron, but non-metal don't have free electron. That's why non-metal cannot carry heat and electricity. Exceptional case is also there. For example, graphite is non-metal, but graphite can conduct heat. Graphite can conduct electricity due to free electrons. Only graphite is there in case of non-metal. So these are the mainly physical properties of metal and non-metal. So we have to see chemical reaction parts also, which is called chemical property of metal. So chemical property, regards chemical property, I would like to give some example. For example, metal react with oxygen and form oxide. For example, sodium metal, sodium plus O2 gives Na2O, because the valency of valency of oxygen is 2, but valency of sodium is 1. So it's from Na2O. मैंने कहीं ना कहीं बताया, पहले एक्सप्लेन किया था इसको कैसे होता है. So for example, Mg plus O2, it gives only MgO, because valency of magnesium is 2, valency of oxygen is also 2, इसलिए 1:1 होता है, 1:1. वैलेंसी से मैग्नीशियम का ऑटोनॉमस शेल में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है और ऑक्सीजन का 6 है, 6. एंड ऑक्सीजन इज ए नॉन मेटल अगर मेटल के साथ बॉन्डिंग करता है, सो इट्स ट्राई टू गेन इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो दिस 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन आर शिफ्टेड, ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम दिस मैग्नीशियम मेटल टू ऑक्सीजन नॉन मेटल. सो इट गिव्स MgO. एक मैग्नीशियम एक ऑक्सीजन, MgO. बट इन केस ऑफ sodium, what happens? Autonomous cell in sodium, the number of electron in autonomous cell is 1. But for oxygen we need 2 electron already explained here, because autonomous cell fulfill होने के लिए 8 electron चाहिए. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. सोडियम एक दे सकते हैं, तो एक देने से इसका 7 हो गया, और एक चाहिए ऑक्सीजन को, तो और एक सोडियम आना पड़ेगा. इसका मतलब है 2 सोडियम मिलके एक ऑक्सीजन का रिक्वायरमेंट पूरा कर सकते हैं. सो फॉर्मूला वुड बी Na2O. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड मेटालिक ऑक्साइड, सोडियम ऑक्साइड. दिस मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. इट मींस मेटल रिएक्ट विथ ऑक्सीजन gives metal oxide. Similarly, non-metal also react with oxygen, give non-metallic oxide. For example, carbon react with oxygen, gives CO2, carbon dioxide. Sulfur react with oxygen, gives sulfur dioxide. So metal react with oxygen, give metallic oxide. Non-metal react with oxygen, give non-metallic oxide. So other chemical properties also there. For example, metal react with water, metal react with acid, So next part will be given in next video lecture.